Go to the Resources module to customize DLP sensitive data repository. Click New Custom Category to add a new sensitive data type. Open the created custom category and select Add New Sensitive File. Provide the basic details for this template. Choose an appropriate classification level. Now you can set up the detection rules for your sensitive file template. We provide various methods to detect files from different perspectives. You can detect files based on their file type, use our predefined rules, or add your own custom file extensions. You can add multiple detection methods within a single rule, and they will be evaluated using an and logical expression. File content detection is the most commonly used method. We provide built-in models and regex patterns, or you can define your own regex or keywords. Alternatively, you can monitor the file's creation source. Define the source application where the file was received or the website it was downloaded from. Save this template to use it later when configuring your DLP policies. Navigate to the DLP module. Go to File Transfer Control to create a new rule. You can choose either an audit or block policy. Choose from our predefined templates and configure them as needed. Let's create a policy from scratch to fully understand all the settings. Enter the policy name and adjust the priority. As an endpoint DLP, we can manage various channels through the settings. Choose commonly used applications from our predefined list. Besides desktop apps, Bluetooth and AirDrop detection are also supported. File sharing via commonly used browsers can be detected. You can define destination websites or create a custom allow list. Monitor Git push activity to repositories and whitelist your company's code repository as needed. The clipboard can be monitored for copied and pasted content. Monitor files sent to printers for added security. Now, add the data you want to detect for DLP monitoring. You can add your own sensitive data under the Resources section, or simply search and select from our predefined data dictionaries. Configure the actions to execute upon policy activation. Taking screenshots on macOS devices requires screen recording permission. Please note that from macOS 14 onwards, user notification prompts may keep appearing. File Archive allows you to save a copy of the detected file. Select the user or device scope for this policy and save your settings. Make sure the policy is enabled before performing the test. Once an employee triggers the audit or block DLP policy, you can view the alert list on the Alerts page. You can retrieve specific audit alert information using multi-dimensional filters such as department, sensitive data, or source channel. In the action column of a specified alert, click Details to view the event information. The details include information about file sharing channel, the shared file, file matched details, file transfer records, the relevant user, and devices. If the screenshot function is enabled for the triggered policy, you can view screenshots that record file sharing.